Charging cable, you got your manual, and this is it. Lock and unlock. As always, never directly look into a laser. Charge it right through there. Well, as it says. You can also mount this on a tripod as well. Settings on the top. Battery indicator light. When it's uneven, it blinks. When it's lined up right, as you can see, so it gives you that perfect level. We take a look over here, we can see it. You can adjust the brightness as well. You can adjust the angle as well. It's extremely wide. Set this down floor level. So the laser goes the whole way, all the way up through the ceiling, all the way over here, which is incredible. So all the way, you can see the laser, how it goes out over. Even right there is the laser. Very nice.